Hey guys, today I'll be installing a dash cam in my wife's 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. I'll be installing this Garmin dash cam Mini 2. So nice little unit. It's nice and small. You get everything in here in the box. There's the camera. I already gone ahead and installed the memory card on it, and then you're gonna get some cables with it. You get two USB-A to their own power supply side here. And you get the short and the long one, as well as an additional sticky mount if you need to use it on a second vehicle, or if yours comes off for some reason. The USB power adapter with a dual input on it. So one will of course be for the dash cam, and the other one will be for something else that you may be using for your smartphone or something else. So what we're going to be looking at here is behind our rearview mirror here. That's where we'll be placing the camera. So I want to be able to place it somewhere along here, so that when you're driving, you'll be able to see the camera. It'll be just sitting out here. So find the best spot for yours, where it works for you, and that should be able to mount it. So anyways, we'll start by mounting it first. I already gone ahead and clean the inside of my windshield, so it's nice and clean, so it sticks and adheres properly. So let's do it first. I'll take this backing out first, and we'll mount it on. All right, so we got her mounted on there, nice and neat. As you can see, it'll be right behind the rearview mirror. We'll be able to see it. So next we'll be doing is the power supply cable. So I'll be using the longer of the two. As you can see here, there's two of them, so whichever works for you better, but I'll be using the longer of the two here. So it's going to be this one here. It only goes one way, so you can't get that wrong. And the other side will be going over, and I'll be running it up through the headliner over to the pillar here, and I'll be running it down over and over to down here to where my power supply will be. So I'll be taking that off. Put this one in here, and that's what's going to supply power to the camera. So anyways, I'll get running the cable first, and then we'll fish it through. Right there, I got the cable run through most of the pillar here. So what you're going to do is, as you can see here, just get your cable, push it through there, and then what we're going to do with your piece here is just keep pushing it in like this. Okay, that's what you got to do. Don't force it. And you're able to tack in your wire. Depending on your vehicle, you should be able to do most like this on most vehicles, and then tack it through there. So what we do with mine is get it here and then tack it through here, and I'll be removing this small panel here to be able to fish it through there to the bottom where this opening is, and then run it over to my power supply over there at the bottom of the dash. All right, so there you can see I tucked it all in. There's my cable here. So what I do just like that, tuck it in. I got this panel removed here. So now what I'll do is, because I have this opening here, that gives me access to the back here behind this little opening here, and up underneath the dash column here, there's my OBD2, which later on I'll be using the power adapter to be able to connect to the OBD2 to be able to get power to it there. So this is where I'm at. Got the cable here, and what I did, just put it on the corner here, and I started to tuck it in using the panel removal, as I did up on the pillar. So just put it in there just like that. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and then the rest, so you can see that I'm tucking in like that. So I'm gonna be able to go up and around. I'm gonna be able to tuck it all the way up here, so the cable just sitting here, so if it drops over here, it's direct access to the power supply. Alright, so all the cabling is done. So you can see it's there, it's plugged in. So now we'll turn power on to power up the camera. there's the green light. You can hear power on, so you're good to go. It does have a button on the side here for the mic, meaning you can turn the mic on or off, so that way it records the audio inside the vehicle as it records video. So if you choose to have that off for personal reasons or whatever the case may be, you can. You can also give it the commands like, hey Garmin, turn the audio off. So I haven't really tested it, as you can see, but you can do that. It does give you a list of commands that you can give it and do what you want it to do while you're driving. Always that's that. Next, what you need to do is you need to download the Garmin Drive app for it. Once you have it all set up, go through all the instructions. What you want to do is go to the live view. And what it's going to do is going to give you an actual live view of what the camera is seeing. So go through the prompts. We'll connect to it. Say connected. So now there's the live view of what the camera is seeing. So you can see there, it's the truck in front of me. So that's what it's seeing. So so that way you can set up the angle for the camera. So that way you know for sure what the camera is looking at. So that way you don't have it set up too high, too low, too far left or too far right. And that's pretty much it. That's what you got to do. And of course, from this app, you can not only see the live view, but you can record, save videos to their cloud or to their vault, I think is what they call it. And that's pretty much all you do. Otherwise, you're good to go. That's how you install this little camera. It's nice and easy. As you can see there, it's going to sit behind the rearview mirror, so it's out of sight. So it's really great. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, let me know.